Now, our language is the richest, most beautiful sounding language in the whole world. There are very many different ways to say and convey different feelings and messages. You know, we have proverbs. There's not a direct Igbo translation to every English word, and vice versa. And it's like, for example, Afro Ginaya, it sounds so poetic. It sounds so beautiful. When I explain it to everybody else, they say, "Oh, you know, that sounds great." And even today, in today's music, we have non-Igbo artists speaking Igbo language in their songs. So that's one of our biggest strengths. And whenever someone wants to represent Africa, they speak Igbo. So I think Igbo language is the most beautiful part. I'm Stephen Okoroha Jr., and my Igbo is beautiful.
Call me on Igbo,